So we found this in the trash, and boy is it cool. So we thought maybe we would take Vice's desk lamp and test it out. And it does work, which is pretty cool. But then we ran into a problem. When we put her old lamp back in, it didn't work. And I looked through it with looking at the filament. It's a tungsten incandescent bulb. I looked at the filament and all that. Can you guess what the problem is, Spice?
Loose connection?
It's the wire right here coming out of the bulb. It came desoldered.
Oh, what?
Yeah. If I, for some reason, even when I hold it down, it doesn't connect. Whenever I hook the multimeter across that, no connection. Across that little wire, connection. So, I've never seen this afflicting a bulb before. This is amazing. Man, this is so weird. So that wire gets connection. Oh man. Okay, we need to use some flux. And all I have is some plumbing flux on hand. See if that worked.
Hey, wow.
What a weird issue of, what a terribly made bulb. I've never seen this before, ever.
You know, that's the Amazon special. I probably bought it kind of cheap, but looks cool.
Of all the ways for it to fail, I've never seen it fail on the outside. Oh, and yes, this is a demo. The bulb's not doing that. I'm doing that by hand. By the way, I must say, a really cool base. I can see why you put this on your desk. Oh, wait, that goes back on. You know what? I'm going to take it back off and break it again. And put this back on.
Much as I would love to have this on my desk.
I think we should make a steampunk thing for this. Now, the problem is it's not dimmable, so you have to go all the way to the top.
Yep.
Ooh, it's cool. Okay, oh, let's try dimming it. We're probably going to burn up the bulbs doing this. But, thankfully, back home at the workshop, I have a bunch of these bulbs never used. I just didn't have the holders for them. Wow, that's pretty cool.